Hi, I'm Vinny with Western Router, and today we're doing a backflow test in the city of Monrovia. So right here is a 4-inch, it's considered a double check valve detector assembly. And the purpose of this backflow is to protect the city's water. This system services their fire sprinklers. So after years of this water sitting there, it gets very contaminated and dirty due to bacteria growing over the years. What happens is this backflow protects the dirty water from going into the domestic water. So there's two devices, two check valves in each of these assemblies. There's a bigger one, this big 4-inch, and there's this 3/4 inch. And the 3/4 inch pretty much detects any flow of water. So here's a little meter here, and it will tell you how much the meter is running, if there's any leaks, or if the system went off or something. So we're gonna start the test now. I already put our fittings on there, so we flushed all the test cocks. Now we're just gonna get to testing.